Before synchronizing with Google Calendar, it is important we pay attention to the following information. In the first place, we need to check that our services created on TuriTop have the same time zone set. To do this, we need to go to the tab Services and in each service change the time zone on default settings. Also, our Google account must have the same time zone set so the bookings will show up correctly. But also, we need to check that our company has the same time zone too. To do this, we go to the section Company, and in the tab Default Settings we can check if it is the same time zone like the services. In the second place, for those services with standard, tour or activity schedules, we need to specify the duration of each service, so Google Calendar shows correctly the duration of this one. To do this, we need to go to the section Services, and in the tab Service Details we specify the duration of the service. Once this has been done, we can now synchronize Google Calendar with our booking system. The first thing we should do is to go to our control panel and click on the More button. On the left side there is a section called Google Calendar. We click on it. Now, we activate the Google Calendar, and insert a Gmail account with which we want to share the calendar of our booking system. We click on Add. Next thing we need to do is select the email, so the services we want to synchronize with that email will show up. Once we have added the service, we just need to wait for it to synchronize with Google Calendar. Depending on the bookings and services number, it might take couple minutes to synchronize, so we shouldn't close our browser tab until this process has been completed. The second thing we should do is go into Google Calendar and check if the service has synchronized correctly to our Google Calendar. We can see our bookings in a monthly view, daily view, etc. Also, we can see the time of a booking next to the booking number. If we click on any of our bookings, a window will be displayed with all the booking information, and a link to edit or view the booking. To find the booking we want to edit, we need to copy the booking code and click on the link that shows up here. Once we have done this, we paste the booking code on the booking ID field, and click here to find it. On the left side, under Other Calendars, we can see our service. Here we can change the color of the service. Also, we can create notifications for different occasions, such as for new events, modified events, cancelled events, etc. On Settings, we can also change the name of the service or edit other data, such as permissions, time zone, etc. It is important to keep in mind that the synchronization described above is one way. This means that we cannot create a booking from Google Calendar